Editing B-roll is one of the most time-consuming parts of making videos. Every video editor knows this feeling. You're done recording, you're done scripting, but now you're burning hours hunting for B-roll that never quite fits. Wrong vibe, wrong era, wrong everything. And somehow it still took 3 hours. This is Instant B-roll by VFX AI. Upload your video and the AI reads every word, understands every moment, and fills your timeline with perfectly matched B-roll automatically. Here's exactly how it works. Drop in your raw footage, any format, any length. VFX AI accepts it instantly. The moment your video is uploaded, VFX AI generates a full transcript in real time. But this isn't just speech to text. The AI is reading context, understanding what your video is actually about. It maps every sentence to a visual concept, not just keywords, but actual meaning. So when you say, growing your business, it doesn't show you a plant. It shows you the right scene for that moment. Now watch this. One click on Instant B-roll and the AI goes to work. Watch your timeline build itself, and you stay in control the entire time. Click any clip to preview it. Don't like it? Want something different entirely? Regenerate. From raw talking head footage to a fully produced video in under 5 minutes. No downloading, no settling. Here's the same video, before and after Instant B-roll. Same audio, same script, same length. Watch what changes. That's a video people actually watch to the end. The difference between being skipped and being shared. Stop burning hours on B-roll. Let the AI handle it and spend that time on what actually matters, creating. If you want to try VFX AI yourself, check the link in the description. And if you want more AI tools that help creators grow faster, make sure to subscribe.